Have you ever felt a heaviness despite doing everything right? You chase success and money, but still feel strangely empty inside. It feels like running a race where the finish line moves. I want you to know that I see your silent struggle. You are not ungrateful for feeling this way right now. You are not broken just because happiness feels out of reach. We are all taught that happiness lies in getting more things. We believe a bigger paycheck will finally make us feel complete. We think the perfect relationship will silence all our inner doubts. But here's the gentle and honest truth about our minds. Happiness is not about luck or getting everything you ever wanted. Science has uncovered powerful secrets about what truly lights us up. Today, we will walk this path of understanding together as friends. By the end, you will know how to rewire your brain. You will find the tools to create lasting joy starting today. Let us first look at the heavy weight you carry daily. Most of us are conditioned to seek happiness from the outside. We run after the newest gadgets hoping for a lasting spark. But studies show these external things only give a temporary boost. Psychologists call this exhausting cycle the hedonic treadmill of our lives. No matter how much we achieve, our happiness quickly returns to baseline. That is why winning the lottery feels amazing only at first. After a year, most winners are just as unhappy as before. If money and success do not guarantee happiness, what actually does? Researchers in positive psychology have identified key ingredients that consistently work. Let us break them down so you can use them today. We know now that deep human relationships are everything for us. The longest-running happiness study from Harvard proved this simple truth. People who have strong, supportive relationships live longer and happier lives. It is not about how many friends you have on social media. It is entirely about the quality of your real-life connections. Next is finding purpose, whether raising kids or building a business. Having a sense of meaning gives your life a clear direction. Without a purpose, even the greatest success feels hollow and cold. Gratitude is one of the fastest ways to increase your happiness. Simply practicing gratitude can shift your entire perspective in a moment. Neuroscience shows writing down 3 things you love rewires your brain. You train your mind to focus on positives instead of negatives. Humans are also wired to grow and learn new skills constantly. When we challenge ourselves, our brain rewards us with feel-good dopamine. Helping others serves as a powerful healing balm for your own soul. Even small acts like holding a door light up your reward system. Kindness creates a positive ripple effect that eventually flows back to you. Let us look at the scientific formula that changes everything for us. Psychologists discovered that 50% of happiness is determined by your genetics. Only 10% depends on circumstances like your money or house. That leaves a massive 40% completely within your own control. Nearly half of your daily joy comes down to your choices. Imagine the immense power you actually hold in your own hands. You are not a helpless victim of your biology or past. So how do we finally activate that crucial 40% today? Here are simple science-backed habits you can start using immediately. Start your morning by writing one thing you are truly thankful for. This simple act trains your brain to notice the good everywhere. Next, you must move your body to release the built-up stress. Exercise acts like a natural happiness drug for your tired mind. It releases endorphins that wash away the heavy anxiety of the day. You must also connect daily with someone you care about deeply. Call a friend or simply share a laugh with a family member. Human connection is the ultimate mood booster that we all crave. Even 5 minutes of deep breathing reduces anxiety and fear. Buy someone a coffee or simply smile at a stranger. These small moments create massive ripples of happiness in the world. But if happiness is simple, why are so many unhappy? Because there are hidden traps that keep us feeling stuck. Social media makes it easy to compare your life to others. Comparing your messy reality to their curated highlights kills your joy. You must focus on your own unique journey, not theirs. Perfection is just a damaging myth that we tell ourselves. When you expect life to be flawless, you invite disappointment. Living in the past or future steals your present power. Happiness can only ever exist in this exact present moment. Dwelling on old regrets or worrying about tomorrow robs you. Let me tell you a story about 2 different people. Person A has the perfect job, money, and a big house. But they are constantly stressed and never feel truly satisfied. Person B lives modestly, but prioritizes time with good friends. They practice gratitude and find joy in the small moments. Who do you think is actually living the happier life? Science proves it is person B every single time, without fail. Happiness is never a wild beast that you need to chase. It is something vital that you create from the inside out. It is not hiding in a new job or bigger house. It lives in your daily actions and your mindset habits. So I have a gentle but firm challenge for you today. Starting right now, pick just one single happiness habit to practice. Choose gratitude, kindness, connection, or simply 5 minutes of quiet mindfulness. Practice this chosen habit every single day for the next week. I promise you will feel a shift deep in your spirit. Because happiness is not a distant destination you finally arrive at. It is a conscious way of living and breathing every day. The best part is that you already have the power. You do not need to wait for permission to start living. Everything you need is already sleeping inside your own brave heart. You are capable of rewriting your story right this very second. Do not let another day pass you by in the shadows. Take the wheel and steer your life towards the bright light. Small steps forward are still steps in the right direction. I believe in your ability to find your true joy again. The world is waiting for the happiest version of you to rise. Your happiness is a flame that only you can kindle. You must shield it from the winds of doubt and fear. You are the architect of your own emotional reality now. Stop waiting for the world to give you permission to smile. Claim your joy with the ferocity of a warrior spirit. Look in the mirror and see the potential staring back. That person in the reflection is ready for a change. Let today be the line in the sand you draw. No more looking back at the closed doors of yesterday. The future is wide open and calling your name loudly. Step into your power and own your happiness right now. You have the tools and the science to back you. You have the heart and the courage to make it. This is your time to finally shine bright and free. Go forth and build a life that feels truly good. You are ready, you are capable, and you are enough.